Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a TikTok ad manager account. It's actually pretty easy. So first thing you need to do here is you need to open up any browser, go to business.tiktok.com, and from here we need to start creating your account. Typically at the very center or at the very top here, you should see a get started button. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here it's going to redirect you into the login page, but since we want to create account, just click on the option that says sign up now. From here the next thing we want to do is you need to sign up. You need to provide few details about yourself. First of all, enter your email and password now, and then you have to agree by clicking here to agree TikTok commercial terms of services and acknowledge you have read the TikTok for business privacy policy. So to learn how we collect data in use and use your share your data here. Now in this case, go ahead and enter all the details and just click on sign up here. Now on the next page, it will say confirm your email. In case, check your email and enter the code that will be sent to your email. And here it's going to ask you to tell us about your business. Now in this case, just go ahead and fill out all the details, and when you are done you should now be good to go. This is the first thing that you are going to ask you, which is best describe your business. They will ask you about your country and region, the company name, industry, time zone, and currency. But once you answered all the questions here, click on create and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.